Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people. How una dey? From Untouchable Mama. I greet everybody. I just rush this message fast. This message go to Ipaira Nomigo with some of PFM member, the good ones. I just give una this little message. Mona still beg. Me come beg una. I come beg una. Mona still beg a pa. Mona still beg a pa. Because I can say I use Benin because not be all PFM they hear Benin. Some go still there way be. Because now all over the global. So I just use pidgin where everybody go hear. Me come still beg una, me una still tell the pa, me limit about Obaseki. Obaseki not be my anything, na my governor, not be say I dey with am, I not dey with am, because me, I not dey all this Obaseki is 4+4 Ogba or voter out. I not dey that one. Now who go better the country, na me dey after. So because of this one, me come beg some of una the good PFM wey dey side. Mona still tell me limit time every day by day. Obaseki, morning, afternoon, evening, Obaseki. E no good because if you come, e don too much. You know, say from January to January, it's not good because you know if you just they talk about one person every blessed day, every morning, afternoon, evening, the same thing. Now you dey tell person, now you dey talk. E no good dey pa. May you still beren you I know say you dey fight for the poor people, but you know say when you go come too much, people no come there because anybody wey just see the title of the video, Obaseki, tomorrow Obaseki, next tomorrow to Obaseki. They no, they'll say na the same thing wey talk yesterday, then wan still talk today. So Mona still tell a pa, me still limit time. Me still limit time. I don't say me not talk about Obaseki. Because me, I come the thing they pay me for I see a brother go Nigeria. You understand? Because a brother go Nigeria, go see his family. Now something wey person because if they go Nigeria that time, even they talk and say they go Nigeria all the time, go they see a grandmother, go they see a mama. But now they know they go because of all this problem about they give me information because you not go there. Now they give you all those people when they give you information, they not too like you like that. Or maybe you can make just put that for your head. You just do your turn pa. I mean, of information no we ni. Iya ma wele rio. Eti ya wele rio. Iya wele rio ni. Iya ga very bad information when no do ata social media because o ma no gele we won or protect o ma ni. No do amo me dan re nu we do tell adia because iya we ma kunu re ene no nya o do kunu we ladia ado mo iya we era no mi go tene na. You understand? Epa ore do ni me wazena wo nya because obi e do we hin obi e korean we hin me be kere. You understand? E na o abugbe iya we do ri den because ogba e ya ne ado ire mi obono pa no de mi obono pa ore omo Obaseki na o han bungbe pa we no tun we jo wa ni o du wewe o de ti ma wo ogba jo wa ni abe ya si egbe obo abe gbaladian but wetin jo ni because of have bad information ni are no fake information ni are no we do taladian because no time we ma hari oboji we no taladian aha daji uga ta eba so pa be your way emi ju da we me grandmother we da we then na touch me but we mi no ya me we the something that is a more wagon that when I mean we women many ya tie ave ma no heke no ave ma we offend all the time ni no kiere no matter Obaseki is still your governor. No matter what he criticize, you are free to do that. But when I criticize on American have way say na like one chance. Even we born in marriage now. Even this abroad where we still there, so you feel they criticize a person where you know say what you they talk na true, not put lie, not put maggi, not put onion so may you can't put salt John you can't the sweet because you go enter one chance. You go enter one chance because like a partner, all these things where they talk, some day will be truth, some still day will be lie. Because people wey give am na dem say make come talk am and him na go dey talk am because you know say if you trust person you know say that person no fit give you bad wrong information because many information wey pa don talk for this social media go come dey talk say abeg na the information wey dem give me na wrong one na me wey you know e go come still beg put so all these things about Obaseki tomorrow Obaseki today Obaseki next tomorrow pa limit am abeg limit am. Because all this allegation where you just everything where you talk someday where it be say na truth while some still there will say will not be truth then they wait for you for that Nigeria na be the problem because all those people will not answer you they know what they do they'll say one day you will come house and they go hold you will come reply even this abroad even though say Donald Trump will be America president. If you do something, you are free to criticize, but no be as you dey do am. So you know, say if na America there where you dey na so or wetin dem call Donald Trump na every day, every hour, even the one wey do, the one wey not do, na you dey talk. You know, say dem for don arrest you now. You know now, dem say make you come talk as you take know everything. Before you come dey talk say na information wey dem give me, you don enter inside. You know, say na abroad we dey, so we know all these things. So me I come beg those people, those good PFM wey dey for inside there, more na still tell Ekpa say may gbere involve, may comot, you know, may shift comot for there, may go another lane because it's not fair. Emma, January, February, March, April, na new year we dey, so you know if you continue like this. And that Nigeria, you of course say I no dey go again. But if they pay you for inside, say how you no go again, Ebonana be well. And Ekpa, you have to do something right now before it's too late. You have to do something right before it's too late. See our brother Bush Lion. Bush Lion be person wey join you. Say Obaseki we must vote am out. But today Oko, Bush Lion dey Nigeria, e dey Benin City. He say 4+4 talk back. Me with Bush Lion, we be friend for Facebook. He dey write everything there. Obaseki dey try. Saying he don't use the eye to see something. Or he battle, or he gelete, because the time wey dey America, they fight am all the time. But when he reach house, they say no be as they take the talk am, no be so it be. So all these things, Ekpa, you have to learn from this, Ekpa, learn. Omanoka lele wegbenwe Obaseki ma vote out. Or he like Donia, ona fi were. So you have to learn from this. Say all the information where they give you, not be all be truth. People they there, we want bring you down. They will follow you, they laugh. They will tell you, say, we love you, now we love you past. A parai don't carry on, nothing they happen. We dare your back. If you don't set, you know see them for front, you know see them for back. You know even see them for long distance. We dare you. You can't surprise here. All this one where they tell now you they give me information. So you don't want to leave me. Here lesson where I am. So Ekpa, Kirele na kiremo obungbe wetin Obaseki January February March April May till the other January na Obaseki matter. We all know say wetin you dey talk truth dey side and lie still dey side. We no be baby, but if you come too much na that one na no come good. So make you try to limit everything, go another lane. Carry another topic, may you dey talk. Leave. I know say you be politician, but you know say all this una politician, I know say na so it be, but you know say some people they'll come take am high. They'll come take and go somewhere. You understand? Because like you now, like say na house you dey now, or different. You understand? Or how well or different. Say and you dey, that is you dey talk with you dey talk, you dey on ground. As you dey America now, there was anytime wey take land, we go hold land. They go hold you. Make you come answer everything wey you talk. They no even care who give you the information. You wey talk and come out, na they go hold. Not be those people where they give you. You the thing say they like you. See what is this one? We get you know our country now. You feel forge anything where you like. You feel forge paper, anything at all where you want for. You go forge jam. They go forge jam. They go give you say me you the talk and you now you go just carry. You go the talk all these things is too much, It's too much because me I even the thing they pay me. They pay me for you. Because I understand, say you want fight for your country. You are right. But the way you take the do and so, man, it no good. It no good. It no be say your person you can't tell you something, say me you talk and that thing later we can't know say that way they talk now lie. You are not helping your country like that. Because people wey want put you for problem, na many pass. They'll say now you go fit talk can. They go they push. They will find one way or another to push you. May you talk can. And when you don't talk can, anytime when you come house, they must ask you. They must ask you. So if limited or bungbe because if you just they come out every blessed day. Your topic now, Obaseki of Edo State, Obaseki of Edo State. No, it's not good. May you still sit down, may you think. That's America where you did. Every blessed day you they come out. The topic where you want to talk. Now for Donald Trump, every day. But the one way he do, but the one way he not do, you come they talk. Say they don't stop you. They don't stop you. Now because of say na Nigeria, now you they talk. All these things wey they talk, you they talk to Obaseki. If na abroad for here, don't go stop you. You are free to criticize, say wetin this person they do, e not good, e not do and well, but not go overdo. If you overdo, they'll put you for one corner. So about all these things, no believe say people wey they follow you, they laugh, they like you well. Now my advice I can't give you. If you still take, good. If you not still take, my mind just tell me, say make I tell you now, say I will talk to you. It's too much. No be all everybody when they follow you, they laugh, or when they follow you, they eat. Now I really love you. So they there, the way where they find one way or another way they'll take put you for problem, they will run leave you. If you they find them, who give me Now so a pa. Because too much of everything is bad. So that make me I say some people, some of una wey still there for PFM. I know say una still they talk to Epa, say Epa, forget about all these things. I know say Epa na person will get pepper body, one listening. Epa, but it's time for you to listen to your good PFM where will tell you say about these things is getting out of hand. Try to limit them, try to forget all these things, try to go just go other topic. You feel the talk and not be say, but not be all the time, every blessed day. No. So limit them. I understand. May you limit them. Not be everything where person they bring come for you about all this our governor. Not be you go they pull mouth, not be you go they talk. Because some of them, they are so wicked. Say they will not want me to see you for that Bini again. They want. And normally, or we have a fear where you still get mother. Person will not get father, not get mother again. You get as if they do, and the thing not they flick out to say I want to go Nigeria because if you reach Nigeria, your mother not dead there, your father not dead there. All your brother sister they don't marry, so the thing not they hungry you again to go. But you will still get mother, you still get grandmother. You go they hungry you may go eat a because now if you reach Nigeria the way your mouth say embrace you, not be so other person say embrace you say even your mouth, even though say he old, he must cook for you well and boil your hell. You know, all those things. I know say if they pain you, say you know go house, go eat your mother food, but try to understand. Say all these things is too much for you. Try to understand. If you take a part, maybe later you will thank me. If you not still take, later maybe you will still thank me. Say this woman be tell me before. Because all these things, you know, say that our country, you feel do something today, they not ask you, they look you. They will just they look you. That's why abroad still be. They will just they look you. But the time when they will say, now today we want to answer you. And that day then they will answer you, they will come bring everything, come away, you don't do. So Epa, please, please put your car for reverse. Put your car for reverse. All these things. Try to limit them. Limit them because it's done too much. You know, say people don't want even hear again. Even if me be you self, a bush lion way they fight Obaseki, he reach Nigeria, it change. Say, my eye don't see many things. So from there, you will know, say, there is something wrong. So those people where they give me information, they want to put me for problem. I be waiting. Epa, learn from this message where I give you so. Learn from this message. If you like, you take out. But if you not still like, may you not still take. But too much of everything is bad. You know, free start from January to January. Obaseki. You don't than the time where that man they sit, where they just vote time in. Now you start time. Till tomorrow, now still Obaseki matter. Epa, it's enough. It's enough. Criticize them. No problem. You know they work well. No problem. As you like, no problem. But not too much of everything. Too much of everything is bad. And give them that respect. Say, now still your governor. No matter anything at all. They vote and put for them. Now still your governor. You understand it? A governor where you know. You can want more. Donald Trump. You know what? America will not take very only one bonisa. The next bonisa. Who don't more than no ya me and what bonisa do more job. So a governor where you know. As far as say Nigerian passport still in your hand, who they respect very if normally we say we take a time when now normal we say we not take a ten ya we egba na wa phone na o me work na ya we ma we say ni we go be dia but na do aro yo Monday to Friday, January to January is bad I understand. So my good people of PFM, that make me say I call una still tell una leader, may put a car for reverse. Too much of everything is bad. If una really love her, all those people where they give her fake information because una not love her, like so una love her, the thing for don't touch you and say, this man, he dey cry say he never see him mama for many years now because of wetin they do for social media, and I make her never see him mama. And I know say he now you know even they think and say make I rest for this matter. I want see my family. If they do a more, it means say una like her. Una when they give her wrong information, I beg. I use God say beg una. You want go see mama? Mona not give her engage. Mona they do by herself. And the makunu re no nya. Mona they do nobody will not get social media. Even though say na one person watch you, you fit do one video now. Nobody know you for social media. Maybe wait till you just talk the thing. People like am. It go viral. They'll come know you. So Mona beg. Mona leave this man. May go see his family. May go see his mama. He still get mama. I think say he still get a grandmama. Person when they come home 2-3 times a year. His mama comes and say no come again. And the power na na do when ya. Otun when jowa. We believe you which way man no way. Otun no di oma yiri owa there. Only other talk you we e we na see no manare o ere we no hanta me ya. E na na he do we. Because if you have no way, or carry there, tell you winner, or carry there, be told you what hima, the man if you man no, a parting of about these things. I be the man if you man, imagine so no, or my will not equal your what. All those no, say best way don't, or that man of your man, many things you don't thinking. Amy waro, they'll come their break won't be like small baby. No say small baby, anything where you do, I go they feel say maybe you don't want me again, maybe you don't love me again. Now so they are old people, now so they are break on the be. Epa, fiwerie, change. No make an eye me issue no wa before it's too late. Eh? Say social media, eh? I want to have no more men go anywhere no do ata na so obaseki do na so obaseki no do. Tell the message make they come they talk am. I mean when go out on social media. Eh? No make na ya me you no make na ya me you no wa. Because all the time you dey fear for them they talk and say oh my grandmama, my mama, but you know they do something to say let me move from this social media of a thing. Me I come up from where all this thing where they do so. I don't want me I dey do again because the thing they pay me, I want me I go see my people where I live for house. Pa. So my brothers and sisters, now so I just say me I don't talk and reach small one. So if una know, I know say many of una for PFM, una see they talk to Epa. It's just that Epa no they take. Epa, you have to take. If really say you love your mother, you love your grandmama, and you want make your children still go home, make them go still there. You have to take the advice, the good advice when they tell you. Not be those one where they for where they for PFM where they push you say you are doing the right thing, where you continue to do. Those one they not love you. I mean they tell you they not love you because then they go house. If they go, they'll go see their family, they'll come back. But you now, you not feel go because of waiting come out for your mouth because they waiting for house. Now the true pie, So my brothers and sisters, wanna help me share this audio. I pray may reach a hand and may past still change. Not be saying may only may reach a hand. May still change. Say this thing where this lady talk, not true. A parent at time away. He got them go to any damn away. Ni kama wewe continue no wa woni me na yen we eme ma we da we wa we ti ya ya devian we ti ya gbiyan genegbe udo we no call unu were so no he any time wewe emi na kiere wo na mi we ugi we e ma wonu ge de guanjo but limited understand limited. So my brothers and sisters, just a little one quick one to a pirate amigo with some good PFN, the one we really love it. I beg Mona help me advise some. Mona help me share this audio.